She's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur.
Hello friends, this is again Kanshil here from Kanshil Custom Moto. This is an iconic CBR1000 1000cc bike, one of my favorite rides. It doesn't have an ABS or anything, but its natural balancing is so good, and it's a very much iconic bike. We didn't wanted it to die, so we restored it to new, and you can see the beauty. It still beats the new age bikes, and it is much more bigger than a new age bike. I suggest all of my friends to restore their old beauties, save these beauties. Let's not let them extinct, make them alive. Come to me, I'll make it alive for you, make it new for you. Once again, visit Kanshil Custom Moto for restoration of your bikes and make it new like showroom condition.
These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. When you're undressed, I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions.